Welcome to the Biswap Education Hub. Today, you will learn how to connect the Wallet app. Follow the link in the description to the MetaMask official website. Install MetaMask extension and let's configure it together. Open the MetaMask extension and click the Get Started button. You can import an existing address using its seed phrase or create a new one. Click Create a Wallet. On the next window, choose I agree if you would like to help MetaMask improve or click No thanks to proceed. Create a strong password for your wallet. Select Click here to reveal secret words to show the seed phrase. Never share your seed phrase or private key to anyone or any site unless you want them to have full control over your funds. Confirm your secret backup phrase by clicking on each word in the order these words were presented on the previous screen. Click the Confirm button to proceed. Congratulations, your MetaMask wallet address has been successfully created. Click Connect Wallet in the top right corner. Select the MetaMask icon. Choose Approve to add BNB Chain Network. Allow the network switching. The last step, sign the wallet request. You have successfully connected your wallet to Biswap.
Thank you for watching. If it was helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Let's go all the way to stellar education together.